All right, let's do this. Right, dust sheet fitted. Okay. The humble halogen lamp has been with us since about the 1950s, and it has done very well. It has lit millions of homes for over 50 years. But we now have a new contender, the LED lamp, which is slowly replacing the halogen. However, as good as LED lamps are, they do have one drawback when it comes to dimming them. The problem is that halogens had the great advantage is that they were super easy to dim. LEDs are a little bit more fussy about how you dim them, and this is where Scolmore have introduced a new product to try and solve this issue. You see, on the market currently there are hundreds of manufacturers of these LED dimmer modules, and they've all got different ways to set the minimum brightness of the LED bulb which you want to control with it. Other manufacturers, on the other hand, have adopted a slightly more complicated system whereby they ask you to stand in front of the dimmer switch and you have to press the button in a certain series of clicks to engage the minimum brightness setting, just as if you were keying Morse code. You see, Scolmore realised that keying Morse code is a little bit outdated, so they've come up with a very neat little idea. You see, on the back of this dimmer module are two little dip switches. One of the dip switches engages the minimum brightness setting, while the second dip switch engages either leading or trailing edge setting. So fitting this dimmer module is no different to any other. It's more or less exactly the same. It's exactly the same look, size, feel, appearance. The screw heads on the top are ever so slightly bigger, which does make life a little bit easier. All right. Let's give this a go. I haven't done this before, so we'll see how straightforward this is. So, to set the minimum brightness, dimmer switch is off. Change the switch 1 to the on position. Done. Press the knob to switch the dimmer on. Okay. Rotate the knob to select the required minimum brightness. Let's say about there. That's mood lighting. Change the switch 1 to the off position. The light should dim up to full. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's actually quite straightforward. Okay, it is as simple as that. We haven't got to do Morse code anymore. That makes a pleasant change. So the second switch does it, you can alter between leading edge or trailing edge, and you literally just flick it, you just toggle it, leading edge, trailing edge. So it is pretty simple. I tend to find most LEDs prefer trailing edge, but it's just nice to have the option that you can alter between them if you want. So that's basically all there is to say. I'm trying to think of something else that we can do to test these dimmer modules with. This wouldn't be a true Thomas Nagy review if I didn't do some sort of durability test on it. It would appear to have survived. Alright, I'm actually just taking it back off because I'm curious to... I just want to put this back in. I just want to see if it actually survived or not. It works all right. Okay, so I'm quite sure that if you run over it, it's not covered by manufacturer warranty, but I'm just saying it's feasible, you know. I'd say that is a sterling job, Scolmore. Well done. It's a good effort.